Throwing a massive curved slab of high-resolution glass onto your desk used to be a luxury reserved for the most hardcore enthusiasts with deep pockets. Xiaomi is trying to flip that script entirely. The latest 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor is a massive disruptor in the budget space. It features a resolution that is sharp enough to make every tiny detail in a digital world look distinct. The curve is quite aggressive. They went with a 1500R curvature for this model. That basically means the screen bends significantly toward your face as you sit there. It creates a powerful sensation of being right in the middle of the action. Whether you are flying a starship through a nebula or driving a supercar through a rainy city, the edges of the world wrap around your peripheral vision. It feels much more personal and developing than a standard flat screen. The speed is where things get really interesting for the gamers. Most affordable screens settle for 60 or maybe 100 Hz. This one pushes all the way to 180 Hz. That is incredibly fast for a screen this size. It makes fast-paced shooters feel buttery smooth and fluid. You get that crisp, immediate response that makes gaming feel more intuitive and natural. The input lag is virtually non-existent here. You click your mouse and the screen reacts instantly without any perceived delay. Colors are another surprising win for this panel. It covers the full standard color space and a huge chunk of the professional cinema gamut. This means greens look lush and reds look deep and vibrant. It does not look washed out or dull like many other affordable displays on the market. However, there are some quirks you need to keep in mind before you buy. The panel technology is based on vertical alignment. This is excellent for achieving deep black levels. It makes night scenes in horror movies or space games look spectacular. The downside is a phenomenon known as black smearing. When dark objects move across the screen quickly, they can leave a faint dark trail behind them. Most casual players will never even notice it during a chaotic game session. But if you are a professional esports player, that slight ghosting might be a distraction. Then there is the high dynamic range. It is technically present, but it is not going to blow your mind. It is more of a checkbox feature than a truly transformative visual experience. You will not get those blindingly bright highlights that high-end sets offer. The physical construction is also very straightforward and utilitarian. There is no flashy lighting on the back to glow against your wall. You will not find any built-in speakers or fancy hubs for your USB accessories. The stand is basic. It holds the monitor up securely, but it does not offer the wide range of movement or height adjustment you might find on a much more expensive model. Some users have reported minor issues with how evenly the light spreads across the panel. These are small manufacturing variances that can happen when a company is aggressive with pricing. If you get a solid unit, it is an absolute steal. You are essentially getting a cinematic experience for a fraction of the usual cost. It is a no-frills approach to immersive gaming. You get the big screen and the high speed without paying for the extra marketing fluff. This monitor proves you do not need to spend a fortune to get a setup that feels high-end. It is a reliable workhorse that focuses on the core experience of the person sitting in the chair. You get a massive field of view and a fast response time. For many of us, that is exactly the trade-off we want.